Hello Gothletts, and after a break I am back, and probably seen me advertising this, but we are doing the 2024 Halloween countdown calendar from Coven, and we'll just get into it and do one each day on the lead up to Halloween. So our Spooky for Life stamp, and spoiler alert, calendar contents inside do not open until after the countdown is finished, which is great. So I'll put that aside, and opening up, there is hidden sign, trick or treat yourself. Look at the camera. So it's metal sign, but it's wooden. And that is from Generic Wholesale. That is cute, that. Trick or treat yourself. That to the side. And got some sweets. Pumpkin pen. Hallowqueen Magnet. Ooh, 2 lollies. And what's this? Okay. This doesn't have a number on, so I'm going to open it. Look what we've got inside. A spooky lanyard. Oh, and they've got that bit on. I love those bits attached to the belt. That is cute. Okay. Moving on. Oh, look, they're all numbered. So let's see if we can find number 1, which is today. So I'm just going to take them out and put them back in. That's day 13. Try not to open any of these, I can't wait to get to them. Day 12. Day 11. 9. Day 6. Day 5. Day 2. Come on, I want today. Day 19. Ha! Day 1, 19th of October. Let's see what we've got. It's nice we've got the dates on them as well, so you know what the countdown is. Alright. There we go, I'll get that off. Here we are. Pentagram Incense Kern Burner. It's Cauldron, so open this up. I do like all the packaging. Oh, so this, I know, you've got the lid, you've got the metal disc for the incense curtain. Oh, that's me dropping metal lid. Oh no, it's chipped. I don't know when that happened, but the pieces in there, a bit of super glue and she'll be right as rain. So you put your incense curtain in there. Then you put your lid on top and all the smoke comes out. That is pretty cool. Do you like that? So she'll be set out onto the side, and I dropped the metal bit in there. And I will fix her later, because I don't know whether that was me, is this metal bit dropped or what, but she got a tiny little chip. We'll just fix that and she'll be right as rain and usable. So that was today's first day 1. So I will take that box off, and I will put other boxes in, and I will just leave my desk like this. So join me tomorrow, and we'll open day 2 on the 20th of October.